So all these cables here are speaker wires, and you might think, Rich, I'm sure we only had 3 amps when we was looking at the front of this rack, and you are right. You can see here that is actually wired for 4 amps. So the reason we've wired it for 4 amps is because on this project, it's been wired for 4 more zones of audio that may or may not get added in a second phase. So to make our lives easier later down the line, when it's in the rack build lab, we will dress those cables in ready. They will then come out the anacondas onto the other end, into the termination box, and they will sit ready. If the client ever decides to add that amp, we then just put the amp in place without having to dress cables, without having to try rework a rack, because anybody that tells you they can add into a rack later down the line, on site, in time efficiencies, and make it look like the rest of the rack is quite frankly a liar. The racks never look as good as they do the day that they leave AOS HQ, when people are pulling cables, connectors, changing devices. So we've preempted that, we've wired for that